problem is find the Fourier cosine transform of f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared. So what is my Fourier cosine transform formula? Fc of s is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx dx. Okay. So now look at the question and tell me what is f of x. F of x is 1 by 1 plus x squared cos sx dx. Okay, so this is my fc of yes. Okay, so now to solve this integration, it looks little complicated. Okay, so I will simplify this. How do I do this? Yes, now let me consider a function. G of x. Okay, and let me take the value as e to the power minus x. So first let me find the Fourier cosine transform of this. Okay, so what is the formula? Gc of s, because the function is g of x, is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of, it's not f of, it is g of x cos sx dx. Okay, so instead of g of x, what will I put? I will put integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x cos sx dx. Now this integration is easy for us to solve. So what is the formula? E to the power integral e to the power ax cos sx dx is equal to e to the power ax by, we put b here because it's a generalized term, a square plus b square is equal to, okay, a cos bx plus b sine bx. Okay, so this is the formula. Now when I compare, what do I have here? Instead of a, I have minus 1, and instead of b, I have yes. Okay, so now let me substitute the formula. It becomes integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x by minus 1 the whole square plus s the whole square into a is minus 1, so minus 1 cos yes x plus yes sine yes x, because instead of b I have yes here. So let me consider a function. G of x, and let g of x be e to the power minus x. So first let me find the Fourier cosine transform of this. So Fourier cosine transform of this is gc of s, because the function is g of x, is equal to integral 0 to infinity g of x cos sx dx. Okay, so first let me solve this. So integral 0 to infinity, what is g of x? E to the power minus x cos sx dx. Okay, to solve this, I have a formula, integral e to the power ax cos bx dx is equal to e to the power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sine bx. Okay, so now when I compare this and this, instead of a, I have minus 1, and instead of b, I have yes. Okay, so how does this integration become? It becomes e to the power minus x by minus 1 the whole square plus yes the whole square into, instead of a it is minus 1, So minus 1 cos yes x plus yes sine yes x. Okay, the limit is 0 to infinity. Okay, we very well know that e to the power minus infinity is 0 and e to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so first when I substitute the upper limit, what happens? This becomes e to the power minus infinity. So e to the power minus infinity is 0. 0 into anything is going to be 0. Why is this 0? Because e to the power minus infinity is 0. Okay, the upper limit is over. Minus the lower limit. What is my lower limit? My lower limit is 0. So this becomes e to the power 0 by minus 1 into minus 1 becomes 1 plus s square. Also we know that cos 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So when I substitute 0 here, this becomes minus 1. When I substitute 0 here, it becomes 0. So that's it. Now this becomes minus into minus is plus. E to the power 0 is 1. So 1 by 1 plus s squared. Okay, so this is my GC of yes. Now what do? I find the inverse cosine transform. Okay, so what is my inverse cosine transform formula? My inverse cosine transform formula is, since it is GC of x, it becomes G of x is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity, okay, GC of s cos yes x ds. Okay, this is ds, don't make a change. Okay, what is my g of x? I know my g of x is equal to e to the power minus x, so I write that e to the power minus x is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity. What is my gc of s? My gc of s is 1 by 1 plus s square, so 1 by 1 plus s square cos yes x d yes. Okay, now I rewrite this. I rewrite this as integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus s square cos yes x ds is equal to e to the power minus x. I take this pi here, so into pi by 2. Okay, now let us see what we have to find out. What should we find out? We should find out integral 0. This is what we should find out. Yes, integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square cos sx dx. This is what we have to find out. Okay, let me write that. What should I find out? I should find out fc of s. What is that? Integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square, okay, cos sx dx. Okay, so now when I compare this and when I compare this, okay, what happens? There is a small change. Instead of s, I have x here. Okay, so that is the small change. So what do? I put yes is equal to x and I put x is equal to yes. Okay, so this becomes integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus, I have s here, so x square cos, instead of this yes, I put x and instead of this x, I put yes. Okay, I have a ds here, so ds becomes, when I differentiate yes, it is ds, it becomes dx. So it becomes dx. Okay, likewise equal to, instead of x what should I put? I should put yes. So e to the power minus s into pi by 2. Okay, so this is what I have to find out. My fc of s is equal to integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square cos yes x dx is equal to e to the power minus yes into pi by 2. Okay, So this is what I have to find out. Clear? So what are we doing here? Just to make the integration simple, we are considering a function. Using that, we are finding this value. Okay, you have any doubts? You can ask me.